Alright, this is egg in microwave, UNOH.
What? Technical difficulty! Come on. Come on.
That one's already, there you go.
Okay, now it's
Try it.
Oh, you gotta put it on one for that.
Yeah, it's gotta go up higher.
I think this one's not needed.
Uh-oh. Fucker, get up.
Come on now. Blow up. Are we gonna make a chicken?
We're gonna put it out. We get a little chick pop out of that.
We're gonna make a chicken.
Maybe we should have like duct taped the door shut.
Blow the fuck up already.
Goddamn. Blow up an egg.
Okay, stop crying already.
Yeah, microwave's pissed.
What else did you guys put in?
All I can do is 35.
Foil, matches, forks.
Foil embedded in the plate.
Yeah, we melted the glass plate.
We had some egg
That's the one you got in there.
Oh, door shut. I don't know if you guys want to wear eggs, but I... That was life. Well, that one.
Son of a bitch. Oh,
Fuck up.
sounds like something's happening in there.
Whoop, whoop. It's gonna blow. We're gonna get a chicken. We done crispy critter, that son of a bitch.
Oh, it's cracked.
Definitely a chicken coming out of this. Oh man, it's pissed.
There's gotta be a chicken gonna come out of it. What?
Hey, it's warping.
The egg?
Yeah.
There's a chicken in it.
Put the timer on it.
It's definitely pissed off about something. I don't know what it's like that.
It's in there moving.
Let's make breakfast.
We got waffles.
I was holding the fucking door shut for you. I know the waffle. It smells delicious. Microwave is down.